Hello Virgo, welcome to your weekly general reading. So this is going to be your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Watch out the other signs to get the clear picture of your situation. So let's see Virgo, what do we have in your general reading for the next week? What do we have for Virgo? Remember, time is fluid, so it could be something happen in your past, present and future. Inner guidance, trusting and following your intuitions, it says, and inspiration. Yeah, you have to remove the toxicity in your mind, from your mind, and healing your heart by trusting and following your intuition, right? So you may be very much focusing on intuition. Yeah, photograph, bottom of the track. You have to making a new memories in your life by remove the toxicity in your mind, right? So you have to put your past experiences in the garbage bag and now fill with the new memories in your mind, right? So that happened. It says dealing with repressed and suppressed emotions, past traumas. Yeah, didn't I say you? You maybe right now is reminiscing the past experiences. Yeah, the ex maybe traced back to see why arise to heal. Yeah, definitely you are not controlling your emotions and you are very much highly emotional in this week. And I feel like, yeah, that's why you have to, you will be very much repressed and suppressed your energy. But right now you have to make your mind clear and put your past experiences in the garbage and making new memories, right? What do we have for Virgo? What do we have for Virgo? Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. What do we have? Engagement ring, Taurus also got this. So it could be that you may be dealing with a Taurus, or it could be the inner chart. There's the partnership. It says eternity, partnership, commitment, completion and union. So I feel like there is a definitely you may be entering in a some kind of a way to engagement ring or any kind of partnership, right? Definitely I see the engagement or coffee cup, meeting, conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted and friendship. So there may be a friendship, or you may be finally meeting this person in a coffee shop, or there is some kind of a get together is finally here. Yeah, you may be finally meeting some kind of person. Yeah, heartbroken is the bottom of deeply heart set. Yeah, there is a separation, or you may be feeling right, reminiscing the past experiences, feeling lost, grieving, mourning. But definitely I see that something beautiful is some of the things. So definitely you have to letting go, cutting ties from the past person, because the past person is a devil type energy, the Grim Reaper. And I feel like for lots of you are now focusing of the past experience and the missed opportunity. And I feel like the relationship between you and the past experiences is over, the relationship over, no second chances, right? Don't think unnecessary in your mind. Don't just getting your mind filled with toxic, right? So you have to grow and transform your life to beginning a new chapter by making new memories, because I see the engagement ring and coffee cup is here. Yeah, there's a finally may get together or some kind of a friendship, fun with the friendship, go and fun with yourself, right? In a party, whatever. Okay, what else for Virgo? You have insecurity, lack of confidence and self-doubt is delaying action. Yeah, this is what I said. You have to completely moving towards that you want in your life, and by this unnecessary worrying about the situation, you may be lacking confidence and self-doubt is delaying. Yeah, definitely I feel like there is some kind of new opportunity is coming towards you, but you are stuck in the past experience. Detachment, yeah, energetically detaching your or cord cutting can free your soul from bondage. So you may be in a kind of a bondage, in a kind of a stuck position with the past experiences, with the past person, and you don't see this past person is a Grim Reaper, devil energy, and you have to completely moving through this, right? Spiritual work, much work is to be done on the individual, spiritual and soul level. Healing is the main factor in this week. It starts with the inner guidance, right? You have to spiritually working on the awakening, a new outlook and perspectives on the situation is coming. See the all the oracle messages are repeating itself, and I see that awakening your soul, rebuild your soul, and new outlook of the perspectives of the situation, right? Which is coming, and the situation is coming is reciprocity. Yeah, situation is the coming is very beautiful in your life. Adjustments are required to create balance and restore harmony. See, you have to making some adjustment in your life. Roadblocks, blocks have to be removed for this to move forward. See, you are in a roadblock and you have to move that roadblock and moving towards the beautiful, which leads to some kind of a new person in your life, right? Entering a new person in your life finally, right? Sun and the moon, see, dark, negative and positive, so you have to go through this to this, right? Definitely you are see the light in the tunnel, right? And tapping your intuition is much required. Sun, moon is here, this is the night and this is the day, so you have to go through the night and moving towards the sun energy, see, moving towards the victory, moving towards the calmer water, right Virgo? So let's see what do we have. Bottom of the deck you have 6 of swords, so whatever you are making decisions is very much giving you some kind of a calming and beginning a new chapter in your life, right? Your message starts with the 10 of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. So you may be very much focusing on Pentacles right now, maybe focusing on financial abundance, and I see the financial abundance is coming in your way, and you are completing a major chapter in your life by completing a, this is the closer of a ending of a past experiences, and right now you are very much focusing on pentacle, and I feel like in the next week there is a financial abundance and some kind of a bonus or some kind of a money is coming towards you, right? Definitely it starts with a new beginning, so I feel like there's a lot of financial abundance is coming towards you. You have to make a strategic decisions for practical mindset is here, right? 6 of Wands, definitely it leads to something victory in your life, right? Some kind of a victory that you put so much efforts and time. Yeah, you are getting so much financial abundance is here. Temperance, you have to making a choices, maybe Sagittarius, you may be dealing with a Sagittarius, or it could be in your chart. What else for Virgo? What else for Virgo? Ace of Wands, new beginning in love also. So I feel like you are very much focusing on Pentacles, but the love is coming towards you because I see some kind of a partnership. This is not only indicating that you may be getting partnership in love, but also in Pentacles. But I see the Ace of Wands. You are very much passionate to begin a new chapter in your life, which leads to something to victory, right? 2 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Definitely, I feel like Taurus also getting that you may be finally meeting, it could be that you may be finally meeting the Taurus energy, and I feel like Taurus also getting that engagement ring or partnership, right? High Priestess, Pisces energy. So what I feel like you may be finally meeting the person by tapping into intuition, right? Intuition is very much focusing in this relationship. 6 of Cups. I feel like for some of you it could be the past person is coming towards you, or you may be thinking the past experiences. 2 of Swords, yeah, taking the blindfolded, yeah. I feel like for lots of Virgo, you may be taking the blindfold off with the past experiences, devil energy, right? The Grim Reaper is here, see? So maybe dealing with a past person who may be backstabbing you, or the lying, cheating, deceptive, yeah, that maybe narcissist also. And I feel like you are taking the blindfolded off, tapping your intuition, and now moving towards what you deserve, right? Do not settle anything less. Yeah, this is what you deserve. Twin flame energy. Twin flame energy is here. Definitely it leads to something beautiful, and there is a distance or maybe traveling is here. I feel like for lots of you there's a Gemini energy is coming towards you. Maybe this person maybe lived in some kind of in another city, place, country, yeah, or maybe it came for the it will coming from the overseas land, right? And I feel like for lots of you, you will be meeting this person, and this person is a twin flame energy, right? And it leads you something, maybe it leads you to calming water, right? So I feel like you may be relocating somewhere, or you may be finally meeting this person, and you and this person maybe travel somewhere. Eternity love is definitely here, right Virgo? So you have now healing yourself by moving towards your victory. You have to make a choice and moving towards the calmer water with this person, okay? What else for Virgo? Stop overthinking, stop unnecessary worry about the past. Yeah, you may finally get, yeah, see? Okay. Again, sun is here. Definitely the Leo energy is coming towards you. I feel like you have to letting go this. Yeah, Taurus also got this. I feel like you may be dealing with the Taurus, could be in your chart, but very similar messages. So you go and check that Taurus reading also. So what I feel like you may be going through this unnecessary worry, thinking about, yeah, I feel like for finally that earth sign already dealing with this overthinking in your life right now. And that's why you have to letting go the chapter, letting go, moving towards your victory, moving towards the sun energy. Definitely I feel like you are maybe restless, some kind of a fear, anxiety is here. And definitely I feel like this unnecessary, because this is the experience you already moving towards calmer water. So healing is the main factor in this week, and you are ready to go to find the brighter future for you. And finally I see that there's a Leo energy is coming towards you. Yeah, Page of Swords, bottom of the deck. So I feel like communication is the main factor, and some of you, maybe the past person may be stalking you. Yeah, see, Hierophant is here, Magician, Seven of Cups. Okay, so I feel like you have lots of choices, and yeah, you have lots of choices in love, relationship, or in your financial, job perspectives. You have lots of choices. See these cups, and I feel like for lots of you, you are now making a choices, or maybe you are so much in confusion or some kind of illusion in the past, and you are remove the rose colored glasses from your eyes, and I see that you are manifesting a beautiful new chapter, a beautiful long-term potential. For some of you Taurus, I see that in a love and in a job, in some kind of a business venture, you manifest this long-term stability, and which is coming towards you. So in all areas of your life, there's a lots of blessing is coming. If you're not wanting any kind of relationships, financial abundance is already here, right? But beware of this dream reaper. Don't indulge the past experience, because I see that maybe past person may be stalking you right now, right? Making some if you are blocked this person, making some fake profile and watching you. Don't just entertaining that person, just remove them in your life. And there's awakening is very much, and detachment is here, right? Letting go the past experiences, see what do we have for you in the future. You have to make the choices by manifesting a long-term potential. So whatever you're manifesting is coming to fruition, right Taurus? Very beautiful messages. So let's get some more oracle messages for the okay. No, say no to this Grim Reaper. Don't indulge unnecessary in the past experiences, and your intuition is strong, you say. So I feel like right now you are very intuitive in this way, and definitely not a no, definitely not a no. Universe is also say that don't miss this opportunity which is coming towards you. Wait and see. Yeah, for some of you I don't see that. You may for some of you may be getting, the universe is working on it. Taurus also got that. So finally maybe I see that meeting the Taurus energy. Yeah, you are both going through same energy, similar to each other. I feel like you have to wait and see. Don't just jump on this opportunity, but trust your intuition very much required in this relationship, in this opportunity, right Taurus? So let's get some messages from the universe. What the universe wanting to say to you. Okay, when you need help, just ask me. I'm always here to support you. The universe is always with you, right? Don't worry about the future. It may seem bad on the surface, but on a soul level, it is all unfolding perfectly. Yeah. Stop unnecessary worrying. You are not alone. I'm always with you. I'm sending messages through animals and nature. Yeah. Maybe you have some pets and they give you some messages, right? This is exactly where you need to be, no more, no less. So this is the spirituality, or this is the karmic lessons you have to learn. Bottom of the deck, you have go through this darkness to get to the light, and don't be afraid here. That's why the sun is here. And your reading starts with the sun and moon, remember? And that's why you have to go through this darkness to get the light, and don't be afraid. This is a yellow card, and see, don't worry about your future. Everything is to be okay. Okay, and next, the new love has a marriage potential, long-term partnership, right? I'm sending you messages through your dreams. A move to a new place of employment is in works. Yeah, definitely I see the Six of Wands here. You may be relocating somewhere, or maybe traveling is here. So Virgo, very beautiful message for you in this week. I sense that all the earth sign also getting that. Some kind of spiritual awakening is here. So Virgo, that's all for this week. I hope it resonates to you. Watch out the other signs too. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.